Hey guys, so we're back. I know I always show you guys how I install a frontal with glue and tape, but this is me showing you how I install a frontal using no tape, no glue. Now you want to start off by having a band on your frontal and you want to sew on the braid like so. So I'm going to section off the hair on the braid and I'm going to sew on the braid until the back of the frontal. So you're going to see exactly how I do it, and you want to make sure you're pulling the frontal down tightly, and you want to do this to both sides of the frontal, going on like 4 or 5 braids depending on how many braids you've done. I always tell you guys, when cutting a lace, you always want to cut closely to the frontal. You do not want to cut extra lace and have extra lace just sitting on the head. It doesn't look realistic at all. So make sure you cut closely to the hairline as possible. That's how you're going to make it look more realistic. Now here's the main part. You want to sew the flaps, the ends of the frontal, down onto the band. So you don't want to sew into the braid, you're going to sew the flaps of the frontal down onto the band. You're going to do this right after you finish cutting around her ear, and then that's how you're going to get the sides of the frontal to stay down and to be secure. Now, I did color this hair myself. You guys know that. I color hair. I do everything. So, of course, I had to slay this color. Like, it looked bomb on her. She looked so beautiful. And I had pressed out her hair so she can have this silky look to it, and with the color it just came out fire. This is the finished look. No one's not telling me this is not her hair. Like, you can zoom in on that and see, like, this is her scalp. Sis, this is her scalp. She dyed her natural hair, it grew this long, and this is her scalp. But yeah, you guys, this is a simple, quick, and easy way how to sew in your frontal without using any glue or tape. It doesn't hurt the nape with the band, and you can also lift the band up in the back of the head if that's a problem for you. But this is a quick and easy way to sew in your frontal. I hope you guys were feeling this video because I love doing this install. And if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, you know I got so much more coming. You can also follow me on Hair by Ashley with 2 underscores. Everything will be in the description box below. Please, guys, check the description box because most of your questions will be answered in there.